Well, I'd like to thank Friends of Shiva for the sound system and all the support, the stage and stage monitoring and PA, etc., etc. They've done a great job. The crew have been together in this kind of festival situation where there's so much happening at the same time. I mean, we had a pretty seamless show, so great. 2 thumbs up to Friends of Shiva, Kyle Mukherjee and the gang. Thank you.
So I had a great time and the team is amazing and the equipment was really good. I had a very good time in spite of a lot of trouble we went through, not because of Kyle's team, but yeah, some small things on our end. But yeah, the whole experience was really good and thank you for this. Thank you Ruben, Suman, Sujo, Joyjeet and Kyle, of course. Thank you so much.
So I am Shayon. I'm the sound engineer for Anupam Roy band. Today I had the pleasure of working with Friends of Shiva. As you guys know, Kyle is the main guy behind the company. I had a great time working with them as always. They are the pioneers of what a festival sound should be in Calcutta and Eastern India. The setup they did for today's show, no disrespect to anyone else, but anyone else could have just put a pair of hangs and it should have been okay. But these guys went to the next level and tried making sure the overall festival ambience is created with the perfect production and the setup. And whenever they are doing the setup, it's just hassle-free from a front of engineer's side, because you give them the tech rider and all the lines will be patched in a very short span of time, and the changeover is absolutely flawless and effortless. So I wish them all the best for all the future festivals and future endeavors.